Hey fellow investors, it's Tuesday, December 29th, 2020. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, and here is a recap of today's noteworthy movements in the market. Santa Claus didn't show up in town on Tuesday, and the market, which was expected to rally, ended the day in the red. It seems the $2,000 stimulus checks faced some hurdles in Congress. Although at this point, unless a major black swan event occurs in the next 2 days, the market is set to have one of its best years. The year-to-date return of the Nasdaq index is hovering above 40%, and the other two indices are also up quite nicely for the year shy of the 2 days. Shares of Snap were up by almost 6% on Tuesday. The company got a nod of approval from Goldman Sachs. While many of us are not Snapchat users, the company seems to be having great success with its millennial and Gen Z customers and population. Consecutively, it has been growing its revenue quite nicely. Interestingly, I was watching Professor Galloway's 2021 prediction video, and one slide grabbed my attention. He shows how Snap's revenue growth is much more ahead of its user growth. That means the company has found a way to make money with its platform, and every user that comes on board multiplies the platform's revenue by a faster rate. That's what you would call a growth engine, and investors love seeing such engines propelling their investments. By the way, a few months ago, I did a video digging deep into Snap's results, which I think is still valid and relevant if you'd like to assess the stock in more details. Check that one when you have time. I'll link it above and in the video's description. Shares of Berkeley Light were down by more than 9%. This is a biotech genome editing company. It's not among the companies that investors typically discuss. However, it's quite a vital company in the healthcare industry's transition to gene-based or cell-based therapeutics. In simple words, the company analyzes massive amount of gene-based information and finds the best cells that match the requirements scientists are looking for. For example, when you'd want to find antibodies for coronavirus, Berkeley Light's platform would efficiently find those cells. It works with some of the largest pharmaceutical companies globally, and wait for it, since we all love to hear the next thing I'm about to say. The company is also in ARK Invest's portfolio. So this is a stock I'm adding to my watch list. We are losing our emotional support on planes. Alaska Airlines is the first major US airline banning emotional support animals from onboarding the planes. Airlines are enough trouble these days that we can't blame them for reducing the logistic hassle of having animals on board. But come on, man, who can say no to this face? Oh, as long as we're talking about planes and airlines, we have been monitoring Boeing for a while. The company is quietly and slowly recovering from its 737 MAX crisis. On Tuesday, 737 MAX just had its first commercial flight since the start of the crisis 20 months ago. While Boeing still has to deal with the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on airlines and their ability to order new aircrafts, this is one giant step toward recovery. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. I'll see you tomorrow.